Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain technology live access 3 JavaScript. So we are going to do 5 questions. So first one is digital clock and second one is random background color for every 30 seconds, and then zoom in zoom out, and fourth one is moving car, and fifth one is to display the books after 1980 and before 1980. So coming to the code, so we have a navigation bar to accommodate all these 5 pages. We have created a navigation bar, and inside that we have container. In this container we have digital clock h1 heading 1. In that we are having span, id, time, style, font, 50 pixels. In this span we are going to display the time. So today, not to display the time, we use it here script, JavaScript. So JavaScript is like function display. We have function. We have where d is equal new date, document get element time. This is the time we are getting. In that we are displaying in the HTML date, get hours, get minutes, get seconds. So that it will show the system time and date by default. So coming to the output, so you can see here, this is a digital clock. We have navigation bar to accommodate all these 5 questions. We have created a navigation bar, and then coming to the second question, dynamic background. So we are also using the script function to change the color randomly. So where it is called math floor, math random to start to 5, this is the logic. So this will RGB, it will mix the colors and change the colors for every 300 seconds. For every 202 seconds. 300 is interval. We have given set interval. Set interval, set background color. It will change for every 300 milliseconds, like 2 seconds. So this will come into the output. I will second question. You can see for every 2 seconds it will changing the background color randomly. And then come to the third question. We have zoom in zoom out. So in paragraph we have given the IDPR on mouse over. This is the on function. On mouse over increase size. If we move the cursor to the text, it will perform this function. If you move out from the cursor, it will perform this function. So coming to the functions in size. So function in size, document.get element id, style, font 80 pixels. So when we move the cursor to that, it will increase to the 80 pixel size, and if we move out, it will come to the normal size. Come to the output. See, if I move the cursor to that, you can see 80 pixel size. We have zoom in. If we move out, it will came to the normal size. So the fourth question is moving car. So we have a car PNG, we have a car image, and then we have a two buttons to stop the car and to move the car. So we are using this JavaScript where image is called null, where animate. So image object is called document.get element id. So it is image object is taking the image from the id which we have given, and style is called relay to style left is equal 0 pixels. And move right, we are using function move right in order to move the car. Image object style right is called parse int image. So it will moving the picture to the right side. You can see left plus 10 plus pixels. So it is moving for every 10 pixels. It is moving to the right side. So animate, set timeout, move right 200. It will move for every second, like we can see that for every 20 millisecond it will move to the right side. And function stop, clear, timeout, animate. So it will clear the animate timeout and it will stop the picture which is moving there. So coming to the output, so we have a start button and stop button. Start. So you can, for every 20 millisecond it will move to the right side. Stop. Okay. And coming to the fifth question. So we have a span ID, book before 1980s, after 1980s. So we are going to display the books which are after 1980s and before 1980s. So we have a where books, in which we have a array of so many books: title, book A, book A, other A, and year 2007. Similar way, we have similar books here, and we are going to sort the books which are from 1980, before 1980 and after 1980. So this is the while. We are using a while condition. Books length, books dot length 5 is less than books dot length. Document get element ID by book in HTML. Books title books, and we where I is equal to 0. If length is less than that, we are using if else. Parse in book year is equal to 1980. So print the books which are written before 1980, else it will be printed after 1980. So I plus plus we are incrementing. So in this way it will move the function. It will display 1980 and 1950s. So these are the books. 1980 book B and book E are 19 before 1980, and book A and book C and book D are after 1980. So this is the output for this thing, and we have used a CSS file. This is for navigation bar. We have used this CSS file for containers and body. This is the output. Thank you.